Good evening. We are Foxes. We came up with a remote platform like a game. And this is actually based on augmented reality. Just this is a simple UI of a platform and mobile application. We are importing analytic parts, report generation, and mobile application using augmented reality to play the game. This is the journey of mobile application. First, you say start process, go to the home screen. Actually, it's a profile, and go to challenge and hunt, and then go to coupon and redeem. These are simple mobile application functionalities. Next. This is the simple UI of the mobile application. This is a normal loading screen and login, registration, profile screen, and then here is the challenge board, and here is the hunting area, and that's the coupon area. Next. This is the journey of the platform. It's a normally start process and dashboard. Dashboard can create challenges locating the area of which we are going to host the campaign, and after that customer can report files, reports, get reports and analytics using the dashboard. So I would like to invite Darshan to continue the marketability and adaptability.
Thanks. I'll walk you through marketability and adaptability. Let's go through each point. AR gamification moving from niche to mass. A decade ago, none of us were familiar with the concept of AR. Like from the innovations like Microsoft hologram, Google Glass, every one of us become familiar with the concept. People are getting more interested in games or apps that blends with their day-to-day life. The best example that I can think of is the Pokemon app. They had a huge success, and they are also using AR. And there's an app called Ingress, which is an app by Google. It has around more than 10 million users around the world, including Sri Lanka. Also, customer-centered concepts like loyalty and rewards are getting more popular. Even in Sri Lanka, like in companies like Cargill Food City, Kale Super, and Arpico, they have introduced a lot of loyalty-based products to customers. What we are doing here is taking advantage of those points and bringing them into one app, where we have augmented reality. Also has a gaming interface which rewards you based on your points. Let's talk about the target audience. We have two main business models. The main one is for multi-tenant solutions, where we target cross tenants like supermarkets, exhibitions, food chains, clothings, and retails. We are also planning to target single brands as well, like Pizza Hut, KFC, and all. I'm gonna ask Viran to explain the rest.
I will be doing the monetization part. Like SaaS model is our main selling thing. Like that is our package thing. So this is our SaaS model thing. So first we are giving it free for the customers. Customers like that, let's say young kids. So we are giving the free package to try out our things. Like they have one challenge. They can create a challenge. They can create a role. They can create a location. They can sign up for up to five users. Five users. So the next package will be silver, gold, platinum. Like that, feature wise, we have categorized things. and go to the market plan. Like we have identified some like giant marketers, giant like soft logic, John Keys, 8 constraints. So like we will be tying up with them, and we are selling our product. So they will be that, let's say soft logic, they have Burger King or Dell. So intermerchant conversion kind of a thing, we can try out with soft logic, John Case, 8 constraints. 8 constraints, they are hotels. So that will be the marketing part. So I am hand on to Ijaz to continue.
I show you a peek of this our backend platform. It's just a prototype. So we have analytics. So mainly the dashboard cost analytics. Next slide. Finally, we can see some future implementations such as using AR objects like shooting and etc. And we can introduce this AR-based information and instructions on museums, parks and zoos like public areas to improve the knowledge and implement the loyalty programs, and focus on top-notch analysis and reporting. Then especially we can use this AR as a service which can connect to other loyalty platforms. Then we can introduce referrals and to extra points, so we can share and so.
This is the application, and this is the hunting area. You can see pizza pieces.
Thank you.
Yep. This is like again.
Just to be fair, you guys are out of time. You have finished. You are out of time. Questions? Or that play around with the app? I was going to be
so the go to market, or at least you've got two products. You've got one for you've got platform and mobile, but essentially, of course, for you to sell a platform to any enterprise, you're assuming you've got take up first of all of mobile users. So what I guess what time period would you see that you've had enough adoption by mobile users before you would be able to go out and sell the service to enterprise or brands?
What we plan is to partner with a company, smaller company, where we can offer them a free service for a couple of months. To do a proof of concept like that.
Okay.
Then develop a user base of a certain amount, then approach the company.
Yep, makes sense.
So I saw some pricing there. Since you all are targeting the London market, was the pricing based on any facts that you all found anywhere with the current rates or anything like that?
Just our assumptions, like we just hear the values.
Okay.
And same question I asked the Mix and Match team. How long do you think approximately you all will take to break in? Because it seemed that you all have a solid, you'll have productized it and tiered it, the pricing and all that. What's your how much? And you all have the minimum which you all need to sell to break even. For example, X amount of small, Y amount of enterprise. Have you all done that? Mix and match.
Yeah, like we are planning to sell it as like there's a free tier, so people can get the free tier and they can try out the thing. So it will take like 2 years or 3 years. VR thing is not popular. In Sri Lanka also it's not popular. It will take time. So by the time like we based on the stats like 2020, we will like more popular than this based on the stats.
So this is the time to start.
Yeah, this is the ideal time.
Okay. And how long would the product take for completion? 2 months. 2 months.
With the right resources. With the right resources.
No, with this team.
Yeah, like we need an iOS developer.
Okay.
So two developers, one Android, one iOS, one iOS.
Okay.
And one Android.
Okay. Thanks.
Anyone else? Any questions? Next team, you guys ask questions first because you're not asking anything. You need to ask. This is, these are your team members. If there's no more questions, I think that's it. Thank you.